The switch stacking is a function that simplifies network management and expands network capacity. These physical switches are connected into a stack system using cables. Then the stacking function virtualizes multiple physical switches into a single logical switch, allowing multiple switches to be configured, monitored, and maintained through a single IP address. I'll start with two basic facts about stacking. Here is the network topology. Next comes the specific configuration steps. Step 1. Connect two S5860 switches. First, use a 10G DAC cable to connect the two switches via the 10G port, and you can see the green light is blinking. Repeat the step, use another 10G DAC cable to connect the two switches for stacking. Step 2. Access to the CLI. Connect the console port of the S586048SC to the USB port of the computer using the console cable. Open the Secure CRT software to enter Quick Connect. Protocol select, Serial. Port select, COM7 USB serial port. Baud rate select, 9600. Cancel the option of flow control. Click the Connect to access the CLI. Step 3. Configure stacking of S586048SC Switch 1. Configure stacking attributes of Switch 1. Create domain ID as 100. Create the stacking member number as 1. Configure the stacking member priority to 200. According to the priority number, it can be elected as the master. Configure the description information of Switch 1. Configure VSL port CRC error checking parameters. Configure VSL interfaces of Switch 1. Enter VSL port view. Configure ports 1 and 2 as stacking member ports. Step 4. Configure stacking of S586048SC Switch 2. Connect the console port of the S586048SC Switch 2. Configure stacking of the second S586048SC switch with the same steps. Configure stacking attributes of Switch 2. Change the standalone mode to the stacking mode of Switch 2. Step 5. Show stacking results on Switch 1. The console port connection needs to be switched to Switch 1. Show the stacking configuration information on Switch 1. Here you can see that the stack has been formed. You are now running your switches as a stack. Enjoy the benefits they provide. For more information about the S586048SC switch, please visit fs.com.